My name is Ruchi Mittal and I am Captain Awesome in Lokaloy. Captain Awesome because I started with a lot of job changes, like role changes in Lokaloy. Finally, when the designation was to be decided, I couldn't come up with something which actually defined what I really did. So I know I gave awesome experience, be it customer facing, be it merchant facing, be it employee facing. I became Captain Awesome, but I am HR head in Lokaloy. Everybody defines culture as what they do, put a TD table or make drinking days, make boxer days. But I think Lokaloy's culture will be get it done, positivity. I haven't met anybody or I haven't hired anybody who cannot get it done. We're from Bombay, came to Bangalore to launch and we had no office. We took up an independent house, made up our office, 25 people. It was a labor camp, 25 people stayed there, ate there, drank there, but it was hardcore working. When I say we get it done, the only examples that come to my mind is, let's say tech team, we literally got them beds to sleep here, Red Bull stock, they've pulled a stunt of 36 hours, 48 hours non-stop to deploy their new product and things like that. Or talking about work culture where the CEO, Aditya Rao, sits and does data entry till 6 a.m. so that next morning we have it ready for the launch. It doesn't matter what you do, right? You could be the CEO or you could be the admin person, but everybody is a generalist in Lokaloy who just has to do whatever it takes to get this thing going. Energy! When I say energy, you walk into the office and everybody will be bubbling. It's Monday and everybody will be talking about the weekend, this, that, but everybody's put their head together and they just have to keep going. So our average age is 24 to 25. So we have people from 18 to 60 something and everybody just concentrate, becomes a huge energy ball and rolls and rolls and rolls and then the company gets going. How am I contributing? It will be very simple. Keep the employees happy, keep the customers happy, keep the merchant happy. As I said, I am called the Captain Awesome. Is in life, I want to give awesome experience or be awesome to everything we do, right? Future at Lokaloy is going to be fantastic only when, so I keep telling this to people, right? Happy employees is happy customers is happy merchants. All of that goes hand in hand. Captain Awesome. Where will you find a platform where it's this easygoing, you're solving a problem. You could be part of big companies, that is one. But if you want to be a part of so many other startups, what are they doing? Like, get to the core of what is that exactly, that thought, that need of solving problems, right? One, that. Second would be, come have fun, right? People have stopped having that fun in life. They keep working and working. Make that workplace fun. Like literally when I have to now do one-on-one, sit and understand what my employees are going through, I don't go enter a room and say, hey, what is it that you want? I make it a hugs day. I gave out free hugs with a chocolate and said, I don't get enough time to spend with you guys because I'm so busy working. Why don't you come sit with me? Don't talk about work, but just talk about your pet, your sister, or your boyfriend, I don't know, whoever. Or we did bring pets to office. You don't like your TL, I'm going to give them a white t-shirt. You can go scribble whatever you want. Yeah, things like that. I have people who came and thanked me. I remember one guy, I hired him and then he said, hey, so tomorrow is my first day. Can I wear 3/4 to office? I said, come in your boxers, but do come. First, my attitude of empathizing. I'm big, so I can cuddle and hug. So people like to come and cuddle and hug. Third, I'm a very people's person. Come talk to me. I'm just Captain Awesome, so that makes me super. So come join Lokaloy and stay super.